I have rambled in exile, mad, cruel-hearted strangers, far, far from my home and the land of the Lee. I have struggled alone, mad, all hardship and danger, and braved every fate on the land and the sea. From Colombia's wild forests to India's spicy bowers, on the great foreign rivers whose sands are of gold, I have sighed for thee still. Mad the birds and the flowers, I love you and will till my heart does grow cold. I have roamed with fair maidens, with dark flowing tresses, and beautiful eyes that look kindly on me. Yet I thought with regret on those smiles and caresses of that fair-haired maiden that was by the lea. And now I returned, yet she's not in her bower, where the river flows past with its calm kindly waves. I have called her name, made the ivy-crowned tower of sweet Ennis that shadows her grave. Thou home of my childhood, to a ruin it has fallen, and the loved ones that blessed it will greet me no more, yet I look on it still. Joyous visions recalling, though the tall grass has grown on the step of the door, I will be with thee soon, with the shamrock above me. From my own native Cork no more shall I roam, till I'm laid in the grave, where those dear ones that love me, as in death they will welcome their wanderer home. Sinead.